Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how we can do set union in Python. So here we got two sets. Using this set union we can receive unique elements in both sets. For example, here first A set has 1 and B also has 1. So we need to get this 1 only one time. For that we are using this union, set union. We can directly use the print statement and see the output. Inside parentheses, all we have to do just say the first set name, variable name, and the pipe symbol, and B. B means this second set. Okay. Now if we run this, we should get another set like this: 1 2 3 4 5, and there are no 7. Okay, that's fine. And as you can see, there are no duplicate elements in this new set. Okay, there's another way to do this without using the pipe symbol, which is we have to say let remove this, and we have to say this first set variable name and call the method called union. In the parentheses we have to pass in the second set like this, and we can see the output is same, but there are no duplicates elements. Okay, that's how we can perform set union in Python. I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.